So this is an old Seeburg Wallbox, and these are the guts, and I'm converting it into a little remote MP3 player. Let's see here. That simulates getting a coin. I'm gonna make a selection. And then that sends the command to the jukebox to play the music, and I'm working on some electronics for that. But just got this wall box pretty much restored. I had to get a couple old junk machines to get this one to work. Here's the front cover for it. And then this is the music selections, and I can print out my own and make them. But pretty cool little project. There's the little buttons that I had to clean. They had all smoke and stuff on them. I cleaned them up, and they'll go on there. So I'll let you know, show you what it's like when it's done.